Lord, on this Easter Sunday, I stand in the quiet joy of what you have done. Where there was loss, you brought life. Where there was darkness, you brought light. Thank you for reminding me that nothing is ever truly finished with you. That even the places in my life that feel empty or broken are not beyond your power to restore. Help me to rise today, not just in celebration, but in the way I live, the way I hope, the way I move forward. Lift me from the weight of yesterday. Renew what feels tired within me. Give me the courage to step into the newness you are offering, even if I don't fully understand it yet. Let this day remind me that hope is real, that new beginnings are possible, and that your love always has the final